So you probably know, if you have looked for a job in the past few years, at least months, you know that if you want to apply for a job through LinkedIn, there's a way how on the LinkedIn jobs it shows you how many applicants have already applied. Now, sometimes this number can get very scary, but and even from personal experience, I can say that when you see 50 applicants have already applied, you're like, 50 people has already applied, doesn't make sense to be applying. Don't think about it. These statistics are often very, very incorrect because there are so many people who actually drop throughout their application process. They never even finish their application. And you'll be surprised how many that is. It can even be 50% of these applications. Then you have to take into consideration that very often people who apply on LinkedIn are from all over the world, and already another half of the applications cannot be accepted for visa reasons, work permit reasons. So many of these applications need to be, for a variety of reasons, tossed out, and maybe you could have been the right person for the job. If something like that scares you, me personally, how I see it is that it can be true. You can apply to whatever job, for whatever reason, you can be missed, even if you would be the great candidate. Don't worry if you're gonna hear no. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? No one's gonna reach out to you. And that's not bad, right? On the other side, a positive outcome could be that you having the job that you actually really want, or just practice another job interview.